The strategic planning and distribution of financial resources to efficiently save and spend money is known as personal finance management. Setting financial goals, including saving money for retirement and working hard to achieve them, are very important components of good personal money management. Maybank provides a wide range of services, including investment, insurance, stockbroking, online banking, and many more. Maybank also offers a variety of home loans to meet different needs.
For the first product is Maybank Home to You. Maybank Home to You is a digital initiative that offers a variety of mortgage-related products and services for their customer to purchase their dream property via the MPE apps. Customer will be able to access the app and manage their home financing application at any time and at anywhere. The benefit of Maybank Home to You is it is easy eligibility and seamless digital experience for their customer, and it is efficient and convenient to access through their MAE apps. The customer will be assisted with the live education consultant and many reputable developer property listing to browse that have a partnership with Maybank. The criteria for the Maybank Home to You is the applicant must be a Malaysian and ages between 18 until 65 years old at the point of application.
So now I will explain about the loan criteria for Scheme Jaminan Kredit Perumahan SJKP. Is Malaysia that age 18 and above, must be first home buyers and have maximum monthly income at 11,000 per person. So financing up to 35 years and until 70 years old. And for the benefits is the Scheme Jaminan Kredit Perumahan is up to 110 financing and no down payment needed.
One of the product of Maybank is Commodity Murabaha Home Financing Islamic. It's a Sharia compliant home financing with larger funding, longer terms and other benefits, no compounding of profits or other charges, and its expensive fees tier or variable profit rates are available. Offer house financing by trading Sharia compliant commodities. These are the benefits that we will get from Commodity Murabaha Home Financing Islamic. Firstly, it is based on the principle of Murabaha. Next, it has no compounding of profit, and for the last one is financing margin is up to 95%. And the criteria if they intend to apply for Commodity Murabaha Home Financing Islamic is minimum annual income is 24,000 ringgit Malaysia, the minimum age is 21 years old and the maximum age is 70 years old. It is also can be applied by any nationality, and also whether they are self-employed or salary employed can apply for this house loan.
So my part, which is a redraw facility for home loans borrowers. So the benefit of this loan can access to extra fund, and with extra fund it allows to renovate and insure your home and can grow your wealth by investing the extra fund. And for the criteria, can exist Maybank customer with a mortgage financing for more than 6 months with a good repayment and track the record.
For home and reno loan, Maybank can help purchase for renovation new house. Home plus reno loan is designed with you in mind for margin of advance up 90% plus 5% and property price open market value to finance your property purchase. And another margin is up to 30% additional margin of advance or up to combined total of 120 of property price and or maximum of 500,000 to finance the renovation expenses. And how does home plus reno loan work? This is conventional home loan facility that caters of purchases of landed house, where the home loan portion will be disbursed to finance the purchase of the property. On full disbursement of the home loan portion, the renovation loan portion will be disbursed progressively over the next 12 months. The total loan amount is up to 120% of the property price of latest open market, which is lower. So for up 20% and 90% plus 5% of property, To finance the property purchase, 5% for capitalization of mortgage, reduced term assurance of credit level, term assurance and other related expenses, and additional 30% or up to 120% loan, or maximum 500,000 is for the purpose of financing renovation expenses. For example, house price or value price of house is 800,000, and new house loan at 90% margin for 720,000, and for mortgage reducing term assurance at 5% margin, so that's mean can get 40,000, and for reno loan 20% margin can get 200,000, and total home and reno loan at 120 margin like 720 plus 40,000 and plus 200,000 can get 960,000 for total home plus reno loan.
Okay, I will explain about my first home scheme. Scheme Rumah Pertamaku (SRP) or My First Home Scheme is a homeowner initiative for first-time buyers that was first announced in the 2011 budget by the government of Malaysia. In 2019, another financing scheme for first-time home buyers was similar, introduced by the government, called the Bank Negara Malaysia, which is BNM, for first home scheme. So both this scheme allow eligible applicant to obtain up to 110% financing from participating banks such as Maybank, providing an easier path to home ownership. So next point for the benefits is, first is up to 110% financing for completed for or under construction properties. Second is no down payment required. Lastly is affordable financing for monthly income earner of 10,000 ringgit or below. Next is applicant criteria. First point is must be a Malaysian citizen. Second, first time house buyer. Third is single or joint applicant. Next is salaried or self-employed individuals across public, and lastly is private sectors.
I will do an explanation about House Key Home Ownership Plan. House Key Home Ownership Plan is a house loan that being offered by Maybank Berhad. Also, this plan provides a greater flexibility and cash flow efficiency, especially designed to assist those who are intent to be homeowner but are unable due to the high initial cost. Criteria for those who want to apply this type of house loan, which is House Key Home Ownership Plan, is the person must be a Malaysian citizen only, plus the applicant must be between 18 to 70 years old at the point of the application, plus the applicant must not have more than one home financing at the point of the application, and the last one is the applicant may include up to 3 co-guarantors to improve the success rate of your house key application. The benefit that can be gained by the applicant, those who apply this type of house loan, which is House Key Home Ownership Plan, is the first one is they will get full 100% financing, which is the applicant will get full financing with no down payment are required. The second one is there are no payment during the construction, which is the bank parties, which is Maybank itself, will help to finance the cost during the construction. And the last one is they will get the lowest monthly payment, which the applicant can enjoy the lowest monthly payment with the best rate that being offered by Maybank itself.
Okay, so next is My Deco Financing. My Deco Financing is whatever you design, inspiration are for your home. You can get additional financing up to 120 of your property value to help fund your interior makeover. Maybank will finance interior design with 30% of the property price, or 120 up to 25,000 ringgit in a separate account. So what is the benefit that we can get for applying this MyDeco financing? So for the first one, we can margin of financing tenure which is up to 10 years, whichever is earlier, and we also can get effective interest which is as low as 4.4%. So next, what type of criteria that we need to fulfill for applying this MyDeco financing? So for the first one, Malaysian citizen age 18 and above, application with up to 2 existing home financing facilities and only one MyDeco financing per MyBank or MyBank Islamic, home financing customer, and minimum property value of 300,000 in Kuala Lumpur, Selangor, Johor Bahru area and Penang Island, and 150,000 in other states area in Malaysia. So the property must be complete or under construction house financed by MyBank or MyBank Islamic and landed or high-rise residential property financed or by MyBank or MyBank Islamic. MyDeco financing will cover costs of interior designing, furnishing, fittings and aesthetic and decoration.
I will explain about the foreign currency offshore property financing. So the benefit in this type of loan is it based on the principle of muharabah, no withholding tax incurrence, no limit for purchase of overseas property. Next is foreign currency exchange risk, and last but not least is exposure protection of selling rate. So next I will explain about the criteria to apply this type of loan, which is Malaysian or permanent resident and non-United Kingdom or European Economic Community, also known as EEC residents. We explain about the home together financing loan. So the benefit in this type of loan is your parents can commit to repayment with you for the first 5 years, and it can ease your cash flow and getting a meaningful head start as a homeowner. So next I will explain about the criteria to apply this type of loan. So Malaysian citizen with minimum age of 21 and above, and also the child applicant must be aged 21 to 31 years old. Child applicant must be a graduate from an institute of higher learning and gainful employed. Last but not least is parent must have monthly recurring income. So thank you.
I will explain a few Maxi Home that provided by MyBank. So first I will start with Maxi Home. So Maxi Home, a reliable house loan that offers simple financing option that suit your needs. So for any type of loan such as construction, purchase, refinance or equity, MyBank Maxi Home is the best option. Several packages are available for refinancing, remortgage and withdraw. So next I will continue with Maxi Home Easy. So MyBank Maxi Home Easy is a mortgage, interest and profit can be paid for 5 years with full payment from the 6 years onward. This will free up funds for moving, renovation and other home ownership expenses. This agreement allows borrowers to make extra mortgage payment without penalty when their income rises. So the third one will be MyBank Maxi Home Flexi Loan. So MyBank Maxi Home Flexi Loan is the scheme. There's a 3-in-1 account that integrated buyer home loan and buyer deposit account. So the buyer can earn interest, enjoy flexible repayment and shorten loan tenure. Any saving placed in your flexi loan account will automatically reduce the outstanding principal amount of the home loan.
Next, we move to the next point, which is fast cash withdrawal. Fast cash withdrawal, sometimes known as withdrawal facilities, is a feature commonly associated with the home loan or mortgage. It's also allow borrower to access any extra payment that they have made on their loan, essentially giving them a quick way to obtain additional funds. However, the availability of this feature and its specific terms that can vary between financial institutions. House finance fund help buyer resolve other concern. So, next, what is the benefit that we can get from fast withdrawal cash? So we can get extra funds by doing anything that customer love, such as renovate and insure a home and invest to grow the wealth. Other than that, existing MyBank customer with mortgage financing for more than 6 months with a good repayment track record. So next, the criteria that we need to fulfill this type of product is the minimum property value must 75,000 and existing MyBank home financing customer at least 6 months.
I will be explaining about the advantages and disadvantages of applying home loan with MyBank. The advantages are, firstly, the flexible repayment terms and competitive interest rates make Maybank's home loans appealing. Also, Maybank offers various loan products to suit a different financial needs and preference. Moreover, Maybank provides a customer support throughout the application process and during the loan period. Lastly, being a well-established bank, Maybank offers stability and reliability. The disadvantages are, firstly, watch out for fees like processing fees and insurance charges. Secondly, Maybank, like other banks, has a strict eligibility criteria for loan approval. Also, the interest rate on home loan can vary, causing fluctuations in monthly payments. Lastly, the loan approval process may take time, leading to delays in getting funds disbursed.
To conclude, Maybank is committed to providing financing solutions that are simply accessible, flexible, and ethically sound as demonstrated by its housing loan services. Prospective borrowers are encouraged to carefully review the specific conditions, terms, and benefits offered by Maybank, making use of the bank's expertise and comprehensive strategy to make well-informed selection consistent with their unique aspirations to become homeowners. Maybank positions itself as a financial partner that understands the various needs of its client and works to provide solutions that improve their long-term financial well-being, in addition to providing competitive interest rates. Home loans come with responsibilities and costs. On the other hand, they provide long-term benefits like wealth building, potential appreciation, and home ownership benefits. As such, home loans are a fantastic way to achieve long-term goals and the financial stability. I think that's all from our group. Thank you.